Yo, what's going on? Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in. I'm in another trade, of course. I'm in USD JPY at 112.75. I got in for a buy. I bought 123 contracts at $54.80. Currently, the market's at 113.07. I'm up $50,000, as you can see. I caught a pretty good trade. I called it hitting a resistance level. There's some sort I don't say it's a complete resistance level, but it's a resistance level at 112.78, and it tested that level. If it broke through that level, it's going to continue to move in to the upside. So I entered that trade, and this is why I'm winning right now. I'm up 32 pips, so things are going pretty good. Going pretty good. This trade doesn't end till tomorrow. This is a weekly. I got in this trade earlier today at somewhere near between you can look at the time of trade right here, 1912. So that was probably about 712. I got in the trade at 712 and did a weekly on it, so I have plenty of time to let the market do what it do. Currently up 3,000. I'm due to make 5,000, so it'll be a pretty good trade. The account did dip under 25,000, but I did make a mistake, of course. Trying this loan technique, trying to go for pips right now, and so I made a mistake. It's that simple. I made a mistake. But currently in a good trade right now. I'll at least get the count back to the originally started at. I was sitting at 33,000, so lost. I lost a bit of over 10 grand. So bringing it back, and I will finish week strong. Really just gonna pretty much break even now to win my profits. But that was my fault putting that much risk in something that I'm just practicing. So that's my fault. So I'm trying to get it back to. I did find a good trade, this is a lot of risk as well. I did find a good trade to get into, and it's winning pretty good. Go to the charts real quick. I'll give you a brief peek. All right, so I entered here when it broke through. It came back down. I entered the trade. I entered on this red, probably more likely on this red candle right here. So it peaked above, and it came back down. I remember it going back down. I was already in this trade, and it hit back down to 70, and then it shot back up. So we got to a resistance level right here. As you can see, it didn't quite hit support, but it got very close to it, and then market continued to move up at that point and bust through a pivot point, which was a level of resistance at this level. There's a level of resistance at this level, but it didn't resist as much because it resisted here. But this is definitely a resistance level in the quarter theory, so it resisted a little bit. It stayed there, hovered there for a minute, and it broke through. Right now, it's kind of going against the grain. I don't want to go no further because it would have come back and test that 1300. They don't want to test the 112.98. They want to test that 1300. So that's why it's not really taking flight and going further right now with a lot of upward momentum. If you can learn that, that's something you can learn through time. Okay, but you definitely see it. If you watch my videos, you'll definitely see why. You can see the old support and resistance levels. But you learn some things just studying my trades. Just kind of look at my charts and maybe pause and window and ask a lot of questions to yourself and get your own answers. You can definitely learn a lot. So you can learn directly from me, or you might learn a lot just from watching my trades. There's not too many traders out here that put this many trades out on the market, whether it's demo or live. They don't put a lot out. You got to be already involved with them with money. You're not gonna get this. You're not gonna get this. No matter how you look at it, this is a trade. This is a trade. May not be live with real money, but this is a trade. No matter how you look at it. But I'm not gonna talk to you guys here. That's enough time. You see the chart. You see how I got the setup and everything. So there we go. Trades in. Trade. I may show the results come Friday. Just a little sneak peek, y'all. It's 4:30 in the morning. Trade's going very well. That's at 133, 113.22. Excuse me, 113.22.3. Well, 23. I'm up almost 50 pips. Almost 50 pips. So this is a good trade. 10 hours left on it. Be over at 3:30 tomorrow. This should be a big win for me. This should be a big win, but I have the trade available. I just have more later. I'll get with you guys more later in the day. So all right. I'm at the charts right now. I completely missed the 3 o'clock deadline. I had a lot going on this Friday. As you can see, what the market did for the remainder of the week. It went from this position, really started here, and then went down and made its way up for the remainder of the week. I called that action kind of down there over midway. I got in the trade for 112.75, as you see early in the trade, and my trade was supposed to be complete, at the remainder of Friday at 3 o'clock. So this is the close of the day. This was at 4 o'clock. So at 4 o'clock, the market closed at 13.042. So well above my price. Excuse me, that's 29 pips away. So with that being said, that's a 29 pip victory for today. My account, I can't give you account value because those who know nadex, they're gonna block everything at the top, and I can't get that move. So you can't see the account value, nothing of that sort. So you just gotta know by looking at the charts. I remember, back in this beginning of this video, what the price was and what the market was doing, but y'all might not see that because I kind of, the video's broken up, and it's just broken up. As you can see, well, y'all can't see, but it's towards the end of the day, and it's after 4 o'clock. It's well after 4 o'clock right now, and there's a victory. So that's as it stands. That's what happened. You just kind of see how the trade went. You can make your own decisions on why I made the move, and or listen to me speak about it early in this video. One or the other, but as you can see, we know this is a victory. So I'm just go ahead and end this video because the video is already long. So I'll let you guys y'all checking out.